As Hikianalia accompanies Hōkūleʻa on her worldwide voyage, their mission is to prove that old traditions are applicable in a modern context, both here in Hawaii and abroad.
And the way that we're trying to bridge that gap is we're conducting high-tech, modern science, but on a traditional platform with a traditional mindset. I think that if we can tie it to our culture and try to explain it in a way that's important to say, not only Hawaii, but to other parts of the world as well, then we can really try to grab other people's interest and help them to understand why it's important to care for the ocean.
Oh, there's something in there!
In partnership with scientists at the University of Hawaii, the crew is conducting 5 research projects out at sea that study hydroponics, fish population, marine acoustics, and the importance of plankton as a part of the marine food chain. These small organisms could hold solutions for breaking down marine debris, such as plastics.
We're trying to do all of the science projects on Hikianalia to try and keep Hōkūleʻa as traditional as possible.
Although Hikianalia is a more modern vessel, the crew faces new challenges of staying eco-friendly while conducting their research.
A lot of the researchers are used to working on these big ships that have lots of electricity or freezers or refrigerators to store their samples. So for us, it's really been about how do we conduct science in a way that doesn't require a lot of energy and is safe and can be done not just by a scientist, but also by a crew member.
Other features allow for even those of us on land to access their findings.
Within the hale itself, we have the ability to connect to satellites and teachers and classrooms and even share the data that we're collecting with the scientists.
Eventually, the crew hopes to share their findings with those from all around the world with their biggest science project yet, to build a network of indigenous scientists.
The project is called Tomorrow Ancestor. We're hoping that as we go around the world, we can highlight young indigenous scientists, because we believe that these people are kind of like the first indigenous people in their field, and when they're older and they find themselves in positions where they will be making decisions, hopefully they're the people that younger people can look up to and aspire to be more like.
To learn more about their research, visit hōkūleʻa.org. Aloha.